Well, Bill.
Now, these guys are going to try to hold my friends up in the air. If they hold them up in the air, we're going to give them a pass. If they hold them up in the air, everybody scream. If they drop them on the floor, fuck it, scream! Please don't drop them. Here we go. Ready? Make some noise! They got it. They got it. Wait. Fellas, let go of your hands. Let go of your hands. No motherfucking hands! Now teabag his ass. Yeah! Dick in his ear. Fuck what he heard. Everybody, these guys might be broke, but as strong as shit. Take them out. We got two members of the crew. Steve Seagal in white chocolate. Ladies and gentlemen, that's our show. Thank you for watching. Everybody, please get on there. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. Walk, sing,